ISHOW SPEED Morokkoti namticha bokseenyaa tokkoon yeroodhaan lukuufetti baay'ee nama gaddisiisa. Garuu ISHOW SPEED nama baay'ee jabaa aariin kan irra hin turre waan hundumaa gara gaarummaatti jijjiiree bira darbuudha. Namtichi jecha ISHOW SPEED xiqqoo see aaree tumateera. Garuu ISHOW SPEED akka waan gaarummaaf godhetti yaade bira darbee kun baay'ee waan irraa baratamu qabudha. Ilaala chaanalii kana immoo subscribe godha. Ilaaltanii hin bayina namooti chaanalii kana ilaaltanii please subscribe naaf godha. Subscribe gochuun waan hir'isu hin qabu. Isin irratti dhiibbaa waan uumu hin qabu. Anaaf garuu faayidaa qaba. Please afaan kana kan dhageessan namni ilaaltan kamillee mallattoo subscribe utuu hin tuqin hin bayina irra. Bayan isin jaalladha galatooma.
Hey, yeah, okay, that was fire. Look at this. Dal.
Guys, give us some space. Watch out. He knows how to do it. He knows. He knows.
No.
He knows how to do it.
I went to school for this.
I know. Let's see. He knows how to do it.
Got him.
I'm good.
Senegal.
Yeah. You like Senegal?
Yes, brother.
I met you in Senegal.
Yes, sir.
I met you.
Yes.
Met you.
Calm
down.
Yo, it was good. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. I heard that you were looking for me.
Yeah, I'm looking for you.
What about?
I'm trying to learn how to box.
Ah, okay. I thought you was going to say you want to box.
Yeah, I wanna learn how to fight. I already know how to fight, but I wanna learn how to.
You want to learn how to fight?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Like for real?
For real.
Because he hurt.
I know.
Really?
Yes. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Good.
Ah!
That's a little bit of what he looks like. That's a little bit what he feels like though. But
I can take that though. I can take that. Hey look, I saw you was with Ronaldo.
No, I can take yours, but you cannot take mine. You saw me with Ronaldo?
Yes, I saw you with Ronaldo.
I see him time from time to time.
Hey, me and you are just alike. We both Ronaldo fans.
Yeah, you can say.
One day, you're gonna teach me how to fight. And one day, I will get my revenge, okay?
Okay, one day. Very good.